we're going first, guys. So, Glameow X Garchomp deck. So, a Gible. So, kalaban natin is Sneasel Darkrai deck. So, priority natin to si Gible maging Garchomp. So, ito na. Scratching Nails kay Glameow. Okay, lagyan natin energy para mapuno agad kay Gabite. Okay, 20. Okay, patay si Glameow pero ipaglalagay natin si Gible sa una. Okay. Okay, very good. So, Gabite. So, switch natin since mayroon na tayong Garchomp. Redirect natin. So, we will use the Reckless Shearing para maka-obtain ba tayo ng isang Cynthia. So, since wala, itong Cynthia na lang para plus 50 damage. So, we have 150 damage. So, sure one hit si Weavile. So, Darkrai, i-replace niya since kulang pa tayo ng energy. Namang tayo dito, guys. Okay. So, pay-bolt natin tong isang Garchomp. So, Reckless Shearing natin. Para makita natin yung Cynthia. So, since wala, sige, direct attack. Okay, direct attack sa akin, with Garchomp, so may 20 life po tayo, okay? Timely, niya si Cynthia, we will end this battle. So, receive niya 150 damage. So, we win this game, guys, using Garchomp X Glameow.